Have you ever sensed your body engaged in a fight against unseen foes? Your immune system serves as your body's protective force. It operates continuously, safeguarding you every day. Let's explore how this system functions. Your immune system detects harmful intruders like bacteria, germs, and viruses. When these threats emerge, your body reacts through various mechanisms. Initially, white blood cells arrive at the site. These cells function like soldiers, relentlessly pursuing and eliminating invaders. Different white blood cells exist, each with its distinct responsibility in your defense strategy. Following them are antibodies. These proteins precisely target germs, neutralizing them effectively. This crucial tag and destroy technique is essential to your body's response. How can you tell if your immune system is faltering? Signs like frequent infections or constant fatigue may indicate a diminished immune response. Now let's delve into ways to bolster your immune system. A balanced diet is crucial. Consuming food rich in vitamins and antioxidants fortifies your defenses. Consider incorporating fruits, vegetables, and nuts into your meals. Frequent exercise is also vital, enhancing circulation and supporting immune function. Staying well hydrated benefits your body too. Water ensures every cell, including those in your immune system, operates optimally. Lastly, maintaining a consistent sleep routine replenishes your immune defenses. In summary, your immune system is your body's protector. By understanding its workings, you can appreciate its significance. Acknowledge signs of weakness and adopt healthier habits. Now it's your turn. Build your immune system today. For further health tips, subscribe to Life Care Education. Have you ever thought about the consequences if your immune system lacks support? Imagine a situation where your white blood cells are overwhelmed. In this scenario, pesky germs would flourish, making you feel tired, sluggish, and more susceptible to illness. This underscores the importance of proactive health management. It's not just about responding during sickness, it's about establishing strong defenses beforehand. Your body flourishes when you nurture it. To boost immune function effectively, include a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables in your diet. For example, berries are both delicious and rich in antioxidants, which combat free radicals. Citrus fruits, like oranges and grapefruits, are packed with vitamin C, renowned for its immune-enhancing effects. Whole grains should not be overlooked, as they provide vital nutrients and fiber supporting overall health. Additionally, adding probiotics can improve gut health, which enhances your immune response. By making these minor adjustments, you can develop a strong defense against invisible threats. As you enhance your eating habits, don't forget the significance of physical activity. Regular exercise not only helps maintain a healthy weight, but also stimulates your immune system. Activities such as brisk walking, cycling, or even dancing improve blood circulation, crucial for delivering necessary nutrients to immune cells. Moreover, managing stress is essential for overall immune health. Elevated stress levels can weaken defenses, so consider incorporating mindfulness, yoga, or meditation to help keep stress levels down. Beyond nutrition and exercise, hydration cannot be underestimated for immune health. Drinking sufficient water ensures every cell in your body functions well, supporting your immune response. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses daily to fortify your defenses. Nurturing your immune system is a lifelong commitment that pays off in resilience against illness. Adopt these healthy habits, and remember, your body is your first line of defense. Empower it for a healthier tomorrow. Stay engaged and take control of your health. Eating well is just one piece of the puzzle. Don't forget the importance of rest. Quality sleep is crucial during your immune system's restoration phase, allowing it to recharge appropriately. While you sleep, your body repairs tissues and produces vital cytokines, proteins essential for combating infections and inflammation. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of restorative sleep nightly to enhance your body's defense mechanisms. During these rest periods, healing processes and immune responses strengthen against potential dangers. Additionally, managing stress effectively is vital for immune support. Extended stress can lead to imbalances detrimental to immune function. Therefore, incorporating relaxation techniques into your routine can be profoundly beneficial. Take breaks during your day for deep breathing or indulge in activities you enjoy. Prioritize mental well-being through pursuits like reading, exploring nature, or spending time with loved ones. These moments alleviate stress and help maintain a resilient immune system. Focus on creating balance in your life by adhering to a schedule that accommodates both productivity and relaxation. This fosters an environment in which your body can thrive. Lastly, consider the importance of social connections. Building and nurturing relationships with family and friends offers emotional support, significantly affecting your mental and immune health. Isolation can heighten stress and anxiety, weakening defenses. Prioritize quality time with loved ones and share experiences, enriching your lives and promoting a supportive community that fosters a robust immune system. Ultimately, every step toward nurturing your mind and body contributes to building a strong defense against illness. Even small lifestyle changes can lead to substantial enhancements in immune function. Start with regular physical activities that suit your preferences and capabilities. Whether it's dancing, yoga, or a leisurely walk, find joy in movement and aim for at least 30 minutes a day to energize your body and optimize immune performance. Don't underestimate natural light's power. Exposing yourself to sunlight boosts vitamin D production, crucial for immune response. Enjoy sunshine safely, prioritizing your health. By integrating these strategies into your daily life, you strengthen your defenses while fostering a sustainable, healthier lifestyle. Keep in mind that every positive choice creates a ripple effect on your body's capacity to combat illness. The path to fortifying your immune system involves a combination of diet, exercise, rest, and emotional well-being. By embracing a holistic approach, you enhance your health and empower your body to stand resilient against future threats. Take proactive measures, prioritizing your health, and your immune system will reward you. Health is about more than just the absence of illness. It's about nurturing a vibrant, energetic life. A robust immune system lets you embrace life's adventures and confront challenges confidently. Commit to wellness. Nourish your body, cultivate a tranquil mind, engage with friends and family, and remain active. Each step you take promotes thriving immune responses, ensuring not just survival, but a flourishing life. Be conscious of your surroundings, as they can greatly influence your health. Limit exposure to toxins, pollutants, and harmful substances to better support your body's defenses. Choose natural cleaning products and ensure proper ventilation in your home. Spend time outdoors to enhance both mental and physical well-being, gaining essential nutrients from nature. Fresh air and nature sounds can rejuvenate your spirit and optimize immune function. Aligning your daily choices with these mindful practices fosters a healthier environment for both body and mind. Reflect on how your surroundings impact your immune system. Build a living space that minimizes allergens and irritants by keeping it organized and clean. Regular dusting and vacuuming can reduce harmful particles. Additionally, incorporating houseplants can improve air quality while promoting a calming atmosphere conducive to stress management. Just ensure you select non-toxic varieties for a safe environment. By implementing these adjustments, you can enhance your physical space, supporting a holistic approach to immune health. Empower yourself by taking charge of your well-being. Adopting these mindful practices will not only strengthen your immune system, but also create a lifestyle that promotes overall health and happiness. Your body is a resilient warrior, ready to tackle life's challenges. Nourish it, and it will thrive. Prioritize your well-being and flourish in all aspects of life. Subscribe, like, and share with friends and family to save lives. We meet in the next video for more.